Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. To do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be calls, it could be messages, it could be like alarm sounds, media sounds, touch sounds and others. You can also restrict notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications. You can also disable visual notifications so they don't pop up even like at the top of your screen, or you can like customize it, what you want to show and what you don't want to. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can add a schedule to it. Like you can select days on which it will be active, end time, start time, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.